In this video, I'm going to show you how to send emails right through Claude using your Gmail account. I'll also show you the security settings so that you can either have it send emails automatically or have you review it every single time before sending. Whether you have your Gmail already connected or not, this video is for you. You can see in this chat, I said, send an email to ben@bencanhelp.com. It should say 5 funny jokes about fruits. So it said this is a simple task. I'll just send the email. You can see it's looking for approval. So here's the email body. We can see here are the 5 jokes, the subject, and who it would go to. I'm going to click allow once. And once I click allow, it will send the message and it'll say, okay, this is now sent and it's on its way to ben@bencanhelp.com. It asked for that approval because I have my chat currently set on manual mode. Now, what if I did automatic mode, right? Automatically approve. And I did something similar. I said 5 funny jokes about dogs. Now what's going to happen is it will automatically send that email without my approval. Now, if you never want that to happen, then we can change the settings, which I'll show you in a second. See, there it just sent automatically and got it done. When we click on customize, then in the bottom left, click on connectors, and we scroll down to Gmail and click on it. This is where we can change our settings. So you can see here on the side, under write and delete tools, we're going to scroll down and we're going to see send email message. We have 3 options for that. We can either select the check mark, which means always allow, meaning it will never have to ask us for approval to send an email. We can have needs approval. So if we're in the manual mode on Claude, then it will need approval. Or we can have blocked, meaning it will not let you send an email at all. So you need to have it either on this hand or on the check mark for always allow. And if you don't yet have Gmail connected, the way to do that is under that same connectors menu, click on add in the top right corner, then select browse connectors and do a search for Gmail. Once you click Gmail, click on the connect button, which will be in the top right corner where mine currently says connected. Then you'll log in with your Gmail account that you want to send from. And that's it. If you have any questions, leave them in a comment down below. Thanks so much.